What up? What up? What up? What's happening, good people? Y'all be sure to hit that subscribe and hit that bell, just like the intro say, so y'all can stay in the loop.
Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah boy we stock 'em up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah boy we stock 'em up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
What up, what up, what up, what's happening? Here's the finished product of one of the harnesses. This is the eBay style fuse panel. You know, covered up. I mean, this is just a basic harness, you know. Drive-by-wire, of course. This is the finished product. It's not on the engine, of course. Put on the engine, it's going to lay out better and stuff like that. And it lays out the same way it would with a if it was in the truck. But it does not go over the intake. You know, on the original, it goes over the intake, lays over the intake, and then it fills out. This one here does not. And then here's a drive-by cable. It's missing one of the O2 wires, but I do have it, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on there real quick. And it lays out the same. Lays out the same. It's gonna lay out around, you know, around the injector part will lay around the engine and not over the top of the engine. I apologize for the mower. Drop a cable, drop a wire, see what happens.